Hello and welcome to another episode of Obsolete Techie. As you can see here, I have several cards in my work table, and yeah, I actually got them from eBay. I bought a lot that was 19 cards in them, and unfortunately, how they were packaged was not the best way. I know the sellers mentioned on the listing that it was mostly for parts, and yeah, that is true. Like for this one, you can tell that they cut off the pins, and over here on this side, and I guess it's for recovering gold, gold scrapping, whatever. But some of these were working, and unfortunately, the way they package the box, well, produce more damage to them than anything else. And yeah, I don't know which ones are okay, which ones are not. Unfortunately, in that listing there was a really good example of this card, a Voodoo 3000 card, and unfortunately, like I mentioned, it got not destroyed, but it got, some of the SMDs got taken off. There's two caps that are missing, one here, one here. And funny enough is they're actually were in the box, which are these right here. So yeah, I mean, I think it's repairable. I know some of the SMDs components, these right here, are kind of loose. Some bent pins, and this is because how it was shipped, and I still need to see what other SMDs are missing here. But yeah, I mean, it's very good condition, no scratches or anything like that visible. And it would have been nice if it if it was packaged right, because it probably would have survived. And yeah, we'd probably be watching this little thing, see if it works or not. But now I had to fix it before I can even test it. So yeah, but yeah, as you can see, some of these are mostly PCIe cards. Like I mentioned, some of them are missing SMD components. I don't know if you guys can see, but some of them got knocked off. I might have to get a microscope to show you guys and see what some of us are missing. And for example, this one, I pulled the heat sink off from one of the cards, and I think it's this one that it came off from. And yeah, I don't know what this is, but yeah, it's a interesting card. I never seen one of these. So I think this is like a video capture card, I'm not sure. But yeah, the heatsink came off, and this looks like a newer version of card. So yeah, fortunately this is bulge, so I might have to replace that one. But yeah, some of these are are okay, I guess. But I still have to, yeah, like this one's missing an SMD component right here. Actually, several of them. I don't know if you guys can see. Somewhere around there. Yeah, they got knocked off completely. So yeah, and like this one, I know some of them did get knocked off here. Somewhere around here. I need a microscope to show you guys, but yeah, technically I just wanted to show you guys this. I was hoping they would have been intact, because the main focus was on this Voodoo 3 card that I bought, and I actually didn't pay that much. I paid like I think it was $40 for the lot. I mean, it wasn't that bad, but still, I mean, to see it get damaged like this, I'm like, oh my god. And yeah, like I mentioned before, it is for parts. I understand, that they could have done that, to save on shipping and all that, but you could have packaged it more, so it could actually arrive safe. Because when I opened the box, When I was taking off, you can hear the SMDs falling off the cards. So yeah, it's a really, how can I say this, really bad feeling, you know, when you see that something you bought and then think you're, oh, I'm gonna be able to fix it, but now you see that it's gonna be even worse because you don't know what condition it is, or if it's caused because of the shipping, or it's just simply because it's just a piece of trash, you know. But if I can get this one working, I think it will be worth it. I don't know, but still, if not, well, I probably just wasted 40 bucks on all this piece of junk. But it's okay because I can use some of these parts, you know, to fix other, you know, computers, well, video cards that I have laying around here, and that they might need some work too, you know. But yeah, this is just a quick video to show you guys that. I also just wanted to mention, you know, some other videos are going to be coming out. I still have one more video to do with this Pentium 3, and it's mostly I'm going to be upgrading this one. And if you might remember the AMD K6, I still have another video for that one, which I'm going to be upgrading the processor, the memory, and the video card. I think I'm going to be replacing that video card or not, but yeah, I'll probably show you guys later on what I'm going to be doing with them. But yeah, I do have some videos before the end of the year, and probably I think this might be the last video for this year, this one that I'm making. And yeah, probably those will come till January when it's when I have a little bit more time. I still need some recording to do, especially on the AMD K6, and on this one I'm almost done with this, you know, recording this one. I'm halfway, so yeah, I can probably take it out before December, the end of December. I don't know, it depends on how busy I get. So, but yeah, other than that, you know, I do have other plans for you know, videos. Especially, I have several cards that I want to fix that I have around here somewhere. Yeah, this one, another Voodoo card, and this one, as you can see right here, it is missing some caps, one cap right here, and these caps needs to be replaced. I have all that stuff, but as you can see, this one, the pad is not there. There is a piece of copper still there, so I can probably stretch it out and, you know, be able to solder something in there. But it is also missing some SMD caps right here. There's one there. There's several of them that's missing, and also resistance that it's cracked. This one right here. I don't know if you can see it right there. Yeah, it's cracked in half. So yeah, this is gonna require a little bit more work. And I did get a microscope to actually work on these. So yeah, that's another thing. Now that I have this one, so that'll be another video that I could do, you know, repairing this one. I think I have more of these parts than this. I still need some SMD caps on this one. And on this one, I think I have all of them. But yeah, I can start probably with this one, and then I'll head to this one. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. I do have other plans for other videos. I do have a motherboard that I want to recap, and probably I'll make a video about that one. It's do I have it here somewhere here? No, but I can get it. I'll be back. Okay, so this is the one I was talking about, and this one is in very good shape. Unfortunately, as you can see, it has some bulge caps right here, right here. This one exploded, and there was one that I took off to see if I can find the part for that one. But yeah, this is a P4 VXASD2, and yeah, this is a really nice board from Elite Group, or what's it called, ESC I think it's called. And yeah, this I want to get this one working. And yeah, this I'm gonna be recapping this one. And I do have another one that it's very, very special to me, which I have still in the box. ECS. This is the K7VZA. And what's so special about this was my first, oh, it's not the actual one, but it's the same motherboard that I used for my first build. And as you can see, it has some parts still in there. And yeah, it needs recapping too. What's nice about this one is still in the original package, so it's never been opened, but it needs some, as you can see right there, that one's ready to blow. So I need to replace the caps on this one. But yeah, I want to do, if I can get enough parts, if I can rebuild or redo my first system that I made, which was a AMD T-Bird 1 GHz. And I actually do have the original processor that I used on my first build. I still have it. This one right here. So unfortunately this is not working, but I do have another one that is working. But yeah, it's just interesting to have it still with me all these years. But yeah, these are some of the stuff that I'm going to be doing for next year. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the content I'm making. I know it's not the best content. I'm trying to get better at what I'm doing, and hopefully I can do a better job next year. And please always let me know in the comments on what you guys think, or if I missed something. I do know that I don't know everything, especially when it comes to soldering and stuff like that. That's not my profession. I don't do anything of that. I'm actually an electrician. So yeah, it's mostly not the same thing that as fixing this stuff, but it's kind of the same concept. But yeah, just let me know what you guys think of the channel, or what I can improve on, or stuff like that. I also want to thank you guys for the support. I know I'm just barely starting out. I really don't plan to make that many videos that much, but I do want to make them enough so I can actually enjoy making them. That's my main purpose of doing this, to actually get better at the same time, but enjoy in the process of making the videos. And hopefully you guys like them, and yeah, we'll see you next year, and have a good holidays, especially for December and January. I know sometimes it can get crazy, especially with the family, but other than that, hope you guys for the best, and we'll see you next year.